Hi everyone, this is just a quick video. I've put this little freebie together that is going to be over on my coffee shop. So you get 5 pages and they're just like receipt type paper and postcards that have got roses that are in the background. So I'm just going to quickly show you. So you can see here we've got that rose in the background. I'm going to be using these in the journal that I'm making at the moment, so you'll see that later on. And when we have that one, we've got this one with a bit of a yellow orangey rose there, and then we've got this large one with the rose in the centre, and then we've got 4 postcards with, whoops, my fingers won't pick them up, with roses on them as well. So like I said, this is a little freebie over on my coffee shop. I will put a link to it below if you want to go over and check it out. Check out the other freebies, the other digitals, the little digital kits that I have, and also, excuse my squeaky chair, and the journals and ephemera kits that I have for sale in my shop. So yeah, so thanks for watching. Link will be below.